Hello, and welcome to our show.
Today, we'll be talking about Newton's 3 laws of motion. Here's Dakota with the first.
Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. For example, in golf. So Newton's first law of motion, we're going to demonstrate this by using golf, and we're going to show how the ball on the tee is at rest and will stay at rest until acted upon by the golf club.
We're coming back at you live from our studio here in Los Angeles. And now, after you just saw that wonderful demonstration of how Newton's first law of motion works, we're going to bring you over to the second law of motion.
In order for an object to move, a force must be applied. This force can be represented in the formula force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals ma. A good example of this is in soccer. Here we are with the soccer ball kick. Here we marked out the starting point, and each one is a 10-foot interval all the way up to 60 feet. And right now, you can see Andrew's there. That's 60 feet right there. And we're about to do the soccer kick. Here we are in Guatemala. We have Andrew here in the field with the third law of motion.
The third law of motion records that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. What this means is that in every interaction, there are a pair of forces acting on the two interacting objects. You can see this in lacrosse.
Here we are with the lacrosse shot, and what's going to happen is I'm going to shoot this lacrosse ball, and it's going to travel with its momentum to the crossbar. Once it hits the crossbar, it's going to have an equal and opposite reaction, and the momentum is going to change as the direction changes. Here we are in Louisiana, and thank you for watching our show about the 3 laws of motion.
And remember, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
That was good. That was good.
Oh!
Bye.
Hi, Coach, going on the bend.